Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Go ahead.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Hi, I'm Trixie Daus from Rematen, Cucudora Media. Hi. So my question is, bukod sa pork, barbecue, and chicken, kung magsusubuan kayo ng mga inasal menu, anong item, ano yon?
Ako crema de leche. Parang paborito ko talaga.
Ako ang lagi kong kinikrave kapag 3 p.m. sa TV, yung rurok na ng init. Halo-halo. Halo-halo talaga.
Puro matatamis ha, parang kayo ah.
Kasi mainit.
Perfect yung
Perfect talaga.
Lalo yung crema de leche.
Crema de leche.
Kita-kita ko kung sino may handle ng crema de leche. Parang kita-kita ko. Amin yun. Alright. Thank you very much.
Sir, flow pala ba yan? First thing for having Marisa and Anthony for running the song. As being one of your fans. So, ayun, ang question ko is how excited you are for having them? And then what are the plans? Are you going to have mall shows for them, events, caravans? Knowing Marisa and Anthony is talagang may kapit yung fans talaga sa kanila.
Alam niyo, nung nakilala ko yung dalawang ito, si Marisa at saka si Anthony, mas lalo kaming naging excited kasi nakita namin na talagang it's a perfect partnership. No? And bagay na bagay ang naton with Mang Inasal, yung mga gagawin natin in the future, excited kami to share with you, no? Kasi ang daming pwede natin gawin with pork barbecue and all the different products. Ang dami nating stores nationwide. We have almost 600 stores. So, in one of these days, baka makita niyo sila dyan. And of course, maraming mga appearances sa mga events na mga kasal. So, asahan niyo yan na we will continue to support Marisa na. Hindi lang pwede ma-reveal masyado lahat. Pero, marami tayong makapangan sa partnership na to. Alright.